Guys, pupunta na kami sa church. Kasama ko si Princess. Lalakad ka rin? Malayo? Malayo na lakarin? Napapagod na kami maglakad. Ang layo ng bus station. Ay, dito na lang. Malapit na. Okay, there we are. Waiting for bus number. Anong bus number tayo? Bus number 12. Yes. Ayan, in 2 minutes. Maantay na namin yung bus. Parating na. Where's your card? Yan. How do you read it? 4. Minuto na lang. Ha? 1 minute. Arrive na yung bus. Nasa church na tayo. Tama? 20 minutes. Kita mo dito. We're here. We're looking for the church. Oh, wow. We're here now. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside the church. Bang na kami ng bus, wala pang bus. It's anong oras na? Yes, it's almost 9 o'clock in the evening, pero maaraw pa rin. You see? Wow, after church, uwi na po kami. Bye bye. That's all.